Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm going to review a new product. I mean, it's not a new product, again, it's new to me but not new to the market. Today we are reviewing the Nexxus Clean and Pure line of product, more specifically the conditioning foam. This is what the product looks like. It will be linked in my description box if you guys are interested in purchasing. I'm not sure my camera is focusing on the product right now. I'm gonna pretend it is. This product is about $10 online, a little bit more in your drugstore depending where you buy it. Now, why did I buy this foam particularly? Well, originally I was looking for a lightweight, hydrating, but giving me a little bit of volume type of product. The reason why I decided to go with this foam is because first of all, it is a conditioning foam, so I'm gonna have hydration. The second reason is it's gonna give me volume. At least it claims on the bottle that it will give me volume. And the third one is that it is for fine and thin hair, which is exactly my hair type. Now, this is not a curly hair product. It's not targeting curly hair, but it is targeting hair that has frizz, hair that is dry, and hair that is thin or fine, which is exactly what my hair is. So it's not because it doesn't say curl on the package that it's not gonna work for us. In this video, I am going to refresh my hair using my spray bottle. I am going to put a little bit of Cantu's moisturizing curl activator cream just to make sure my hair have enough moisture. I'm really gonna be light-handed on it, and then we're gonna apply the foam, and then we're gonna apply the gel. The gel I decided to apply today is the orange marmalade from Eco Soleil. This is what the bottle looks like, and I will leave the review for you. No, the review is here. I will leave the review for you to watch right here. Okay, my loves? All right, with no further ado, let's get this party started. Okay, so step one is to see what we are working with, and to be honest, it's nothing fancy, huh? Look at this. So this is me, day 2. I worked out this morning, so I'm a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna spray my hair with some water. I'm going to detangle my hair with my favorite brush that is part of my merch and that is available in the description box if you guys are interested. Now that my hair is wet and detangled, I am going to start with my foundation. I am putting a little bit of the Cantu all over my hair. When I say a little bit, this is how much I am putting all over my hair, okay? So let's start, and I'm again staying away from the roots. I am putting this on the length of my hair. And then I'm working the product through. If you are wondering why I am applying the cream, I will link a video right here. This is part of my fall styling routine. So if you're not up to date on that, feel free to click in this video and you will know everything you need to know about my fall hair routine. All right, so now that the base is in my hair, I am going to grab my foam and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So this is what the foam looks like. It's pretty basic. And I'm gonna start at the roots. and work my way down. Round 2. Now I'm going to go into a clumping. Alright, my love, I'm done styling my curls. I did a hybrid between finger curling and the clumping method. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you how I go about doing that. It's pretty straightforward, honestly, but I can do a video about it if you want. Now I'm gonna grab my all-time favorite microfiber towel, part of my merch. If you want to grab yourself one, the link is in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out as much excess product and excess water as possible, but honestly I did not put a lot of water in there, so there's nothing much to take out, and I didn't put a lot of product, so that's that. Now I'm going to lock it in with my gel. Again, we're using the orange marmalade from Eco Slay, and I'm just gonna retwist my hand curls. Alright, I'm all set applying the gel, and I am ready to go ahead and diffuse. I'm gonna go in my bathroom and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done to show you the end result. Okay, see you in a sec. Alright, my loves, well, this is it. This is the end result. I'm gonna do a little close-up for you to see this side, that side, and then I'll show you the back. Okay, so what can I say? To be honest, I am in love with this product. It is so easy to use. It leaves my hair lightweight but yet hydrated. Okay, don't forget, you guys, I have high porosity hair. What does that mean? It means that throughout the day my hair loses all its moisture. This is why I start my styling with a heavy cream. Because I'm on a day 2, I put a little bit of that heavy cream on the second half of my hair to keep the length, which is the most damaged, because I had, you know, a little bit of bleach work on there, little highlights here and there, just to keep the ends hydrated. And then I went in with the mousse and the foam. What that does to my hair, it feels super lightweight on the roots, which I love, and I have all of my volume here. You can definitely see it right here. And then the rest of my hair is nicely hydrated. My curls are clumping together nicely because they are nicely hydrated, and the gel is locking everything in. And then voila, I am loving it. As far as the freeze, well, I have the usual suspect, but don't forget that this is a conditioning foam, so it gives me a little bit of hydration on the roots. I think this is all I can say for this line of product. A quick word on the ingredient list. It is a short ingredient list, which I like. The first ingredient is water, then we have glycerin. I know what you're gonna say with my high porosity hair. I hear you. It's hard to find a product without glycerin right now. And then we have castor oil, and then we have the polyquateriums and all that great stuff, a little bit of fragrance, and then we get into the coconut oil. And I want to say the 4th to last, or maybe 5th to last, is the protein, the elastin protein, which is gonna help with your hair elasticity. When you have curly hair, you want something that's gonna help you with the elasticity. Now, I understand if you are protein sensitive, because elastin is a protein, but give it a try before you decide that this is gonna dry your hair. You might be surprised. Lastly, I want to recommend two other foam slash mousse that I like to use. This one is from Sunbum from their line Curls and Waves. It is the whipped mousse. It is definitely a thicker substance, consistency. It is a mousse, not a foam, so you know. I think I do have a review. If I find it on my channel, I'll link it right here for you guys. The second product I also recommend is from the brand Zoto Professional, their line of product called All About Curls, and it is the boosting foam, lightweight defining. Again, if I find a review about this particular product, I will link it right there for you. You guys keep in mind that all of these products are linked in my description box. If you are interested in purchasing any of them, just check out the description box. Same thing from my merch, my brush and my towel. Everything is linked in the description box. All right, I think I'm all set with this video. Plus, the weather is getting grayer and grayer, if that's English, and I'm losing all my light, so I'm gonna cut it here. Before I go, let me know in the comment section what is your favorite foam slash mousse. I'm super curious. I would love to know what works for your fine wavy to curly hair. Maybe I'll try it. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Give me a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments your thoughts, your favorite mousse slash foam products, and all that jazz. If you have any question, also feel free to put it down here. Okay, all right, my loves, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life, stay happy and healthy. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.